I'm looking for 60 people who can be in the choir. So I know some of you actually were thinking, oh, lordy, which songs do I have to bring? It's actually sounds that I'm looking for. OK, with attitude. Here we go. And... Oh, that's a bit better, that's a bit better. You're going more... Can you go... This time, do it with a sort of smile in your eyes. How about with a smile? Marvellous. Very, very nice. Lovely, lovely.
Honda are known for making very reliable cars, you know, great engineering, but they'd never made a Civic before, which was so emotional. You know, part of the Civic is about really connecting back to driving. So then the thing was, how do you get that sense of feeling across? So we've just had an image of a choir singing driving. So we've gone out and we recorded everything. You know, we put microphones on the windscreen, we recorded the windscreen wipers, we recorded the windows, the doors, you know, the engine, everything. Every sound you could imagine, we recorded it. And so all the sounds are based on the actual sounds, you know, of the car.
My involvement in this project has been initially to see if it was possible to make specific car sounds with the choir. If I was going to do this, I didn't want people going brum, brum, brum and doing actual impressions of cars. I wanted to put it together as a piece of music and try and break down the different elements and see if it worked that way. And I guess from the beginning it was reasonably successful because I'm still here.
At the beginning of the third bar, which is a 4/4 bar, is tied to an X on that note. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Play that again, please.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. I still think the engine, there's something in a couple of the bits that's too human.
Visually, I'm still seeing people with that rather than seeing car.
And then the car is coming from far away through the fog. And when the car just passed just in front of us, and a long shot of the car and on the choir to hear how you stop gently the sound of the engine. So you disappear and you stop, and that's all.
We pulled together the choir, the Honda choir, 60 voices, and we're rehearsing and able to record the piece at a recording studio in a couple of days' time.
Oh, I do remember doing that.
It's the dentist suction.
Oh, suction. Oh, yeah.
Rather than 4.
My throat. Okay. Hear the girls, please, from the two guys. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think what's going to make the commercial work is making sure that all of the components that make up the sound of the car are perfect. So we're all breaking up into smaller groups and really honing in our sounds so that we get them as perfect as possible, because if we don't do that, when we all come together at the end of the day, it won't be as good as it could be.
obviously we're singers essentially, and you're just trying to see what else you can do with your mouth and just vocally, different sounds. So I found it strange but fun. It's like being a kid again, especially when you're rehearsing in a primary school.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5. You're just a block of guys. Some in the front, some behind. I'm sorry, folks. Look, I've got 2 choirs to go in here. So you've got to can't be in a semicircle. How many girls have you in choir 1? 6. So 3 in the front, 3 behind. That's cool. Excellent.
I've got one worried about the fog. I think the whoosh is still not enough realistic. I think I don't know if we went to this motorway in Spain just for shooting, and we hear it's a kind of more metallic sound or something. I don't know. It's
the fog.
Yeah. When the car is going. I don't know how to say that. It's the car coming from the distance. You know, the sound is different when the car is just in front of us than when it comes from.
I think for the guys that are doing this fuel, we need it more open at the beginning of the. So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Comment on peut faire pour chanter, pour être vraiment dans la musique, comme si vous chantiez, que vous soyez vraiment très concentré et très avec vraiment cette volonté de reproduire ce son et de le ressentir comme de la vraie musique, comme du Mozart ou je sais pas quoi.
I think Antoine would like the next run that we do. He would like to see us very much involved in and manifesting the sounds of the car with the same kind of enthusiasm as if we were, singing something very moving to us, like, the kind of music, Mozart or something like that moves us, so that we're really passionately focused and concentrated in the thing.
Yes.
Okay, we're going for this, okay?
When I listen to the car sounds, that we've recorded for that, I don't feel that emotional. But when I hear 60 people doing it, suddenly I don't know, something happens. There is some kind of magic.
It's now become an obsession. I walk down the street and every engine I hear has a different tune and a different pitch, and I've got car engines singing through my head the whole time. I'm going into therapy next week.
Ooh-wee, 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 ooh-wee.
Ooh-wee.
Any other favourite sounds?
I quite like the sort of the thing.
Yeah.
It's about that.
Do that.